There's purple, green, pink, and blue. I'm making my own bouncy ball. Are you ready? Let's open the kit. First, we put the mold together. Second, we put all the mixtures in. Third, we close the mold. Fourth, we put the ball in a container with water for 3 minutes. Fifth, we'll be there for 5 minutes and we'll get our bouncy ball. Now, we'll get out the mold. We'll attach it together. There. Oops. Let's cover it with a paper towel and put it in the water.
4,
4,
3.
3 minutes.
So Gia, are you excited? Let's see.
The ball is so pretty.
Tell me the colors, G.
There's purple, green, pink, and blue. 3 minutes is up. Let's take it out and put it in this way for 5 minutes. 5 minutes up. Let's see. Our ball.
So pretty.
It's so slimy too. Oh, look at that.
Can you show me?
Slimy.
I'm gonna wash it first.
Let's wash it. Now let's try it. Really bouncy ball.
Good job. One more. What do you think?
So you love my bouncy ball? Look at all the colors. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.